Reliable PPE is your #1 choice for all PPE. Since COVID-19 changed our lives, factory production and logistics have also radically changed in becoming very unpredictable, while the urgency and global demand for PPE continues to increase. Reliable PPE has assembled a team of leading PPE specialists and providers of over 30 years, compliance doctors, high-level experienced financing, and logistics leaders. Our team has manufactured and successfully executed countless millions of PPE products since 1992 and developed a unique production and logistics dashboard. Thus, the direct and completely transparent relationship, bridging the direct and completely transparent relationship between buyers and sellers from production progress, delivery to ships and airports, to final customs clearance, and finally, your doorstep. We create custom-tailored solutions as your PPE needs to evolve, ensuring your products are produced with the optimal resources and quality at every stage. This amounts to greater affordability and predictability in the most difficult times. Reliable is proud to be the exclusive distributor in North, South, and Central America of Duisburg Gloves, a very high-quality German-engineered glove. This video shows Duisburg Glove produced at the Shanghai factory, where we work directly with the CEO. Gloves are extensively tested, durable high-gloss packaging. We create custom-tailored solutions as your PPE needs to evolve, ensuring your products are produced with the optimal resources and quality at every stage. This amounts to greater affordability and predictability in the most difficult times. Our process is designed to create a smooth, reliable, and secure environment for our buyers to ensure that you have the desired experience. We validate parties, both on the buy and supply side, via an extensible vetting process to ensure the quality of alignment, assistance in streamlining communication of demand and agreement definition. We align ourselves with the buyers that best fit the supplier for their ongoing demand to ensure a steady and renewable resource. Direct connections to the manufacturers are provided to ensure optimal efficiency for transactional flow. Compliance is assured throughout the process, resulting in the desired outcomes as defined by the buyer's QC metrics. The management team involved has been in the PPE and medical space for over the past 30 years and continue to prove top-quality products and service to our clients. From manufacturers to buyers, we ensure the most reliable process, team, and suppliers in the PPE world.